All right, this is to kind of help out with uh, one of the headhunting tools I was showing you. Um, it's called recruiting.net. It is a way to x-ray search into LinkedIn without being connected to certain people. Specifically, this is for you, Chris. We were looking at laboratory information. You can see it's already there. Information System Manager. And I want to show you a couple things. I think we were dealing with a initial search in North Carolina. Open in Google is what I just chose out of those two options. You can also create a profile and save the search. But basically what this does is it opens up people who on LinkedIn have a title of Laboratory Information System Manager, either currently or in the recent past, that are located in North Carolina. You can then open up each one of these profiles, look at them, call their work, ask for them, and actively headhunt them. Now, I wanted to show you something that we talked about, but I just want to make sure that you're aware of it. Once you've exhausted all of the people in that list to look at, you can go to states around North Carolina. You can search South Carolina. I think this only comes up 4, and I think Patricia's already somebody we've talked to. But there's 3, possibly 4 more people to call right there. The other thing you can do is you can change this title to LIS Manager. It is another common term that these people go by, LIS Manager, as opposed to spelling it all out in Laboratory Information System Manager. So let's go back to North Carolina. Let's type in LIS Manager. Let's find what we can find. And as you can see, it is a completely different set of people in North Carolina that we have not talked to. So this gives you another list of people to call directly in North Carolina. This is what I would start with when it comes up on your schedule to be headhunting in North Carolina for the Laboratory Information System Manager. Outside of that, you can do the same exact thing. You can look at Virginia. You can look at Georgia. You can look at Tennessee and headhunt people. You can also swap between Laboratory Information System Manager titles and LIS Manager titles. If I were you, I would probably make a little chart of all the different combinations that you're looking at and check them off one by one so you can systematically do Laboratory Information System Manager in North Carolina and then LIS Manager in North Carolina, and then do both those searches in South Carolina, and then do both those searches in Georgia probably next, and next would probably be Tennessee. But at least that way you're keeping track of what searches you've already completed and exhausted, calling through the ones that are actually worthwhile to call. Hopefully this was helpful. You can feel free to, view this as many times as you want while I'm gone. Call me if you have questions. Text me if you have questions. But I wanted to at least get you something down in a video that you could refer to that would maybe help you out. This website, recruitin.net, is absolutely not, it's not a paid for site. It is completely free. You can use it as many times as you want. So it's available to you. Go use it.